let's go to page 729 and start with number 1. Okay, so you have the 3 letters K, L, M, and you want to specify. Specify means list them out, and so A, all the subsets. So you start with the one with no letter, so that's empty set, and then you start with the one with one letter. Okay, so K, L, and M. Okay, and then you do the, so start with 0, and then 1, then 2. So you start with K and L, and then you have a K. So basically you not include the M, then you don't have the L, so it'd be KM, and then don't have the K, so it'd be LM. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, and then you get the 3 letters. Okay, and you should have a total of 8 because the number set would be, so you can use or not use. So you got 2 choices. You can use or not use, 2 choices. So you can use or not use. So you got 2 choices. So there are a total of 8. Okay, so the total number would be 2 to the n, 2 to the number. Again, this way. So there are 3 items. We give you 2 to the 3. We give you 8. Okay, so that's how that's how you figure out the total number. So anyway, so that's the subset. Okay. So B, the subset containing at least 2 letters. So 2 letters, at least 2 means 2 or 3. So it means this over here. So it would be KL, KM, and LM. Now for the sets, the order does not matter. So KL and LK are the same. Okay. And so this is the answer for B. Okay, let's go to number 2. Okay, so the 4-digit set, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so A, specify, again, specify means you list them. The 2-digit subset, so 2 digits. So I'm going to start with 2, so it'll be 2, 4, 2, 6, then 2, 8. So after I'm done with 2, I go to the 4. So it'd be 4, 6, 4, 8, and then after that I go 6, 6, 8. Okay, and that's it. Now for part B, the subset in which the sum of the digit is at least 6. So at least 6. So sum at least 6 means greater than or equal to 6. Okay. Now you can have only 1 digit. Okay. So for 1 digit you can have 6 and 8. For 2 digits you can have the 2 plus 4. Okay. Then you can have the 2, 6. Then you can have the 2, 8. And then then after you continue with the 4, so you got 4, 6. And then you got 4, 8, and then you get 6, 8. Okay. Now you also can have 3 digits. So for 3 digits, first I'm going to leave the 8 out. So you're going to get 2, 4, 6. Okay. Then I'm going to leave the 6 out. Okay. So no more 6. So 2, 4, 8. So again, when you have 3 digits, you want to see which one you leave out. That will help to keep things organized. Next one, I'm going to leave the 4 out. So you got 2, 6, 8, and then leave the 2 out. So you got 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to get the 4 digits, sum of 4 digits, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and so that would be the answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 3, you want to evaluate 6C4. Okay, now the easiest way to do it is use calculator. So you enter the calculator. Okay, so you enter 6, and if you have a scientific calculator, okay, that's a button right over here. It says NCR. Okay, if you cannot see, I'm going to bring it up. Okay, so this is for combination. This is for the permutation. Okay, so you're going to enter this one. So you enter the N first, and then you push this button, and then the R. Okay, so on the calculator you enter 6, and you go Shift, and the NCR, and then 4, and you push equal, and then you answer. So this will equal to 15. Okay, so answer would be 15. Now if you do it manually, okay, you have to use the definition. Okay, so 6C4, this is equal to 6 factorial over 4 factorial, and also the difference will be 6 minus 4 will give you 2 factorial. Okay, and notice that this is equal to, so if you notice that 6C2 will equal to 6 factorial over 2 factorial, and the difference would be 4 factorial. Notice they are the same. Okay, so in other words, so these two are equal. Okay, they are same. So in other words, you can use the complementary numbers. So 6,4 and 6,2 are the same. So you want to use a lower number. So this will equal to 6C2. Okay, and notice you want to use this one. So this is equal to 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 4 factorial. And the reason you want to use a lower number, notice that 6 factorial is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? 2 factorial is 2, 1, and 4 factorial is 4, 3, 2, 1. So notice this will cancel out. So the reason you want to use 6C2, so that 2 will give you 2 factorial on the bottom. And if you got 2 numbers on the bottom, you're going to get 2 numbers on the top. Okay, so this will give you 6. So first you write these 2 factorial on the bottom to determine how many numbers you have, and you will get same amount of numbers starting from the 6. Okay, and so this, again, this will cancel out, this will give you 15. Okay, so with this technique in mind, okay, we can evaluate the other ones very quickly. So number 4, okay, is 4C1. So this will equal to 1 factorial on the bottom, 1 number. So 1 number on the bottom will give you 1 number on the top, and therefore the answer equal to 4. Okay, and number 5. Okay, number 5, 7C4. Okay, this will equal to 7C3. Right, and so this will equal to 3 will give you 3 factorial, 3, 2, 1. And since there are 3 numbers on the bottom, there will be 3 numbers on the top, start with a 7. Okay, because the rest of them will all cancel out. And this cancel with that, so it gives you 35. So again, if you know your technique, you can evaluate very quickly without a calculator. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so you got AC3, so this is equal to 3, 2, 1, right? 3 factorial, so 3, 2, 1. Now 3 numbers on the bottom, we give you 3 numbers on the top. And because the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is going to go cancel out. Okay? And again, this cancel with that, so equal to 56. Okay, number 7. Okay, you got 14C12. This is equal to 14C2, right? 14 minus 12 give you 2. And this will equal to 2, 1, 14, 13. And this cancel with that. Okay, so it gives you 91. Okay. So again, as you can see, with this technique, it's very quick. You can do it without a calculator. Okay. Okay, number 8, 10C7. This is equal to 10C3, and this will equal to 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8. So this cancel with that, you get 3. This cancel with that, you get 4. 3 times 4 is 12 times 10, give you 120. Okay. Okay, number 9. Okay, you got 9C3. So this is equal to 3, 2, 1. You're going to get 9, 8, 7. Okay, so 3 cancel with 9, give you 3. This cancel will give you 4. So 12, so 3 times 4 is 12, times 7 give you 80, 12, 84. Okay. Okay, number 10. Okay, 100C2. So this is equal to 2, 1, 199. Okay, so cancel, you get 50. Okay, so we multiply. Okay, you get 4950. Okay, number 11. How many combinations can be formed using the letter word light? Okay, so you have L-I-G-H-T. And part A, you're taking 4 at a time. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 letters, and you're taking 4 at a time. Okay, so this is equal to 5C1, so equal to 1/5. So answer equal to 5. Okay, and okay, let's go ahead and do B. 3 at a time, so it'd be 5C3. And so this is equal to 5C2, and so equal to 2, 1, and 5, 4. Okay, so this cancel, so equal to 10. Okay, C, okay, you're going to taking 2 at a time, so it'd be 5C2, and we already know from here this is equal to 10. Okay, again, 5C2, 5C3, 5C2 and 5C3 are the same. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 12. How many combinations can be formed from the letter in the word triangle? Okay, taking 7 at a time. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 8 of them, and you want to take 7 at a time. So AC7. So this is equal to 8C1, so equal to 1/8, so equal to 8. Okay. Okay, part B, you're taking 5 at a time, so it'd be 8, choosing. So another way to think of combination is choosing. Okay, so 8 choosing 5. Okay, so there are a total of 8, and you want to choose 5. Okay, and so this is equal to 8C3. Okay, so this is equal to 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6. So 3, 2 equal to 6. So this cancel with that. So equal to 56. Okay. And do the C. You're taking 2 at a time. So it's 8 choosing 2. There are 8 and you want to choose 2. So this is equal to 2, 1. So you got 8, 7. So again, you're always going to have the same amount of numbers on the top as the bottom. If there are 2 numbers on the bottom, you're going to get 2 numbers on the top. Okay. Okay, so this cancel with that. You get 28. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 13. It says a club has 15 members. How many different combinations of 5 members can chosen to sit in a row for club pictures? Okay, so there are 15 people, and you want to choose 5. Okay. Now the difference between combination and permutation is arrange things in order, okay, and combination is you want to get a group of something, okay. Okay, so again this is going to equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, it's faster if you just use calculator, punching it, but I'm going to show you the different way of doing it in case if you have to do it without the calculator. Like for example, if you're in a math meet, okay, there's no calculator allowed. Okay. Okay. So 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to cancel this with the 12. Okay, and this cancel with the 3, and cancel this with the 7. Okay. By the way, it should able all cancel out. The bottom should get all cancel out. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to multiply this. Okay. So I'm going to multiply this easier. So this will give me 39, and this will give me 77. So what you want to kind of multiply 2 numbers together, and from there, then you can go and multiply after that. Okay. So you get 3003. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, you can do it without calculator. Okay, but you're allowed to use calculator, but I'm doing it without, so you can see different techniques. Okay, number 14. A sample of 4 flashlights are taken from a batch of 40 flashlights to be inspected. How many different samples can be selected? Okay, so you got 40 flashlights and you're going to choose 4. Okay, so again, you're going to get 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're going to get 40, 39, 38, 37. Okay, and this will cancel out to get 10. This cancel will give you 13. This cancel will give you 19. Okay, and so go and multiply all this together. You get 91390. Okay, again, you can use your calculator. You just enter 40 and the NCR button and 4, and you get this number. Okay. Okay, now if you want to multiply this together, the easiest thing to do, probably multiply this, so you get 370, and you multiply 13 and 19 together. Okay. Okay, and you multiply, put this underneath, put this under here, and you can multiply. Okay, and you get that. Okay, number 15. Okay, how many line segments can be drawn by drawing 2 points, giving 6 points, no 3 as collinear? Okay, so there are 6 points, and you want to draw segments. Well, it takes 2 points to draw a segment, right? So there are 6 points, and you're going to choose any 2 points to draw a segment. So 6 choosing 2, and this will give you total number of segments you can draw. Okay, again, if you don't believe, see, there are 6 points. You can choose any 2 points, like this one here, right? You take 2 points to form a segment, right? So you can 6 choosing 2, and this will give you the total number. Okay, so you get 2, 1, 6, 5. This cancel, so you get 15. Okay, again, if you don't believe that, you can draw it, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Missing one somewhere. Oh, right here. Yeah, so that's 15. See? Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, number 16. At a hamburger hut, you can order hamburger with cheese, onion, pickle, radish, mustard, and all that stuff. Okay, how many different combinations of the extras can you order? Choose only 3 of them. Okay, first let's see how many are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you got 7 choices, and you can choose 3. Okay, so this will equal to 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. So 3 times 2 is 6, so this will cancel with that, so it gives you 35. Okay. Okay, number 17. Okay, 7 points lie on a circle. Okay, so the picture is giving. Okay, how many inscribed triangle can be constructed having any 3 of points as a vertices? Okay, so there are 7 points on a circle. Okay, and you would take 3 points to form a triangle, right? So you choose any 3 points to form a triangle, and therefore this will equal to 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, same as this one here. So this cancel with that, so it'd be 35. Okay, so you can have 35 triangles inside the circle. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 18. Okay, students are required to answer any 8 out of 10 questions at a certain test. How different combination? Okay, so again, there are 10 questions, and the students are to answer any 8. So again, this you want to use 10C2. Okay. Another way to look at it is, since you have to answer 8, right? That means you're not answering 2. Okay. So you answer this 8, therefore you're not answering this 2. So they are the same thing of the like 2 sides of a coin, right? So that's why they are equal. Okay. Okay. So you got 2, 1, 10, 9. So this cancel. So you get 45. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 19. Okay, 10 points lie on the circumference of a circle, how many inscribes quadrilateral? Okay, so there are 10 points in a circle. Now, to draw a quadrilateral, you have to choose any 4 points, right? Okay, so 10 points on a circle, and you want to draw a quadrilateral, so you have to choose any 4 points. So 10 points, choose any 4, and therefore this will equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. So you got 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so I'm going to cancel, so 2 and 4 will cancel with the 8. And 3 and 9 cancel with 3. So 3 times 7 is 21 times 10 give you 210. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 20. How many different 5-card hands can be dealt from the deck of 52 cards? Okay, so there are 52 cards, and you're going to choose 5. Okay, so again, this is going to be equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it's going to be equal to 52, 51, 50, 49, 48. Okay, and you can cancel and all that. But again, to do this, there are a couple ways you can do this. Okay, so the easiest way to do, just go and go 52, the NCR 5. Okay, so you can see that you push the button, right? So you have the 52 C5, right? And you push equal. Okay, and so this will equal to 2598960. This is the quick way to do it. Okay. Now, if you don't have this kind of button, okay, let's say if you don't have this kind of button, then you have to write out your definition. So this will equal to 52 factorial over 5 factorial, and you have to subtract. So this will give you 47 factorial. So the next best option would be using the factorial button. Okay, and you should get the same thing. So you get 52 factorial divided by 5 factorial. Then you have to divide. Okay, so you have to divide. Okay, so that's going to clear. So you're going to get 52. Okay, factorial. Okay, and then you divide it by 5 factorial. Okay, again, make sure you divide it by the next one, 47 factorial. Okay, so you can see, right, 52 factorial divided by 5 factorial, and then divide by 47 factorial, and then you get the same answer. Okay. Okay, so it depends on what kind of resource you have. You can use different ways to get the answer. Okay. Okay, let's go to 21. Okay, how many 13 cards? So there are 13 cards. Okay, hands have exactly. You want to get 10 space. So when you're doing with cards, make sure you account for everything. So you have 13 cards. You want to get 10 spades. Okay, so 10 spades. Okay, the same means you're going to get 3 others. Okay, so first you have to make sure all the cards are accounted for. Okay, so now you have to count for these. Okay, so in a deck of cards, a normal deck of cards, there are 13 spades. You're going to choose 10. Okay, and then others. Okay, so there are 39 other cards because there are 13 cards in each suit, and there are 3 other suits, so there are 39 other cards. Give you total 52 cards. Okay, and you're going to choose 3. Okay, and so now you want to use calculator to do these. Okay, so again, that's why it's so important to have this NCR button. Okay, so you're going to go 13 NCR 10 times 39 NCR 3 equal, and you get 2613754. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 22. How many 13 cards? Again, you got 13 cards. Okay, have exactly 11 cards from any suit, so 11 of the same suit. Okay, can be dealt. Okay, so if you have the 11 cards of the same suit, that means you're going to get 2 others. Okay, so what we need to do is first we need to choose a suit, okay, because there are 4 suits in a deck of cards. S-U-I-T, no, E, okay. Okay, so first we need to go 4C1, okay, there are 4 suits, we're going to choose one of the suit. Once we choose that suit, okay, then there are 13 cards in that suit that we chose, and then from there we're going to choose 11, okay? So that will take care of these 11 cards of the same suit. Then we have to do the 2 others, okay? So again, after you choose one suit, the other 3 suits will have 39 cards, and you're going to choose 2, okay? Okay, you probably don't need a parentheses. Okay, so now you can just go and get your calculator, okay, and just do that. So you're going to get 4 NCR 1 times 13 NCR 11 times 39 NCR 2 equal, okay, so you're going to get 231192. Okay. Okay, let's go to 23. Okay, how many 5 cards hand? Okay, so you got 5 cards. Okay, have exactly 1 spade, and 2 hearts, and the others cards, so you're going to get 2 others. Okay, can be dealt. Okay, so spades, okay, so there are 13 cards, 13 spades in the deck of cards, and you're going to choose 1. And then there are 2 hearts, so you want the 2 hearts. So there are 13 hearts, you want to choose 2. Okay, now you have 13 and 13, so there are 26 other cards, and you're going to choose 2. Okay, so make sure you get all the cards accounted for. Okay, and then get your calculator, and you can calculate that. So 13 NCR 1 times 13 NCR 2 times 26 NCR 2 equal, and you get 329550. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, how many 10 card hands? So again, you're going to get 10 cards. How many exactly 4 spades? Okay, and 3 hearts, and 3 diamonds. Okay, so that's 3, 3, 4, that's 10. Okay. So again, there are 13 spades in a deck of cards, and you want to choose 4. And there are 13 hearts, you want to choose 3. And there are 13 diamonds, you want to choose 3. Okay. Okay, so you're going to 13 NCR 4. Okay. Times by 13 NCR 3 times 13 NCR 3 equal, okay, so you got 58484140. Okay, and that's it.